Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your screen on while viewing. So this simple yet brilliant feature keeps your screen awake as long as you're looking at it. So thanks to your front camera and your smart AI detection, your screen will always stay on. So here you can go ahead and use this on maybe while you're watching YouTube. So if you're watching a long YouTube video, your phone will basically try to save battery and hence it'll basically try to dim the screen. However, your front camera can detect your eyes looking at the screen, and due to that, it'll basically keep your screen awake as long as you keep looking at it. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So here you go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down, find display. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find screen timeout. And now from here, you want to find this setting, keep screen on while viewing. So this will keep the screen on while you're looking at it. So using the front camera, it'll basically detect your face. So turn the feature on. So now whenever you look at a YouTube video or any Netflix video on your phone, as long as you're looking at the screen, your camera will detect your face and it'll basically keep the screen on. So this prevents your screen from dimming during reading or videos. It saves battery compared to setting long screen timeouts, and it enhances the comfort during long browsing or document sessions. So there you go guys, that is how to keep your screen on while viewing on your Samsung Galaxy device.